Here's a short recap of Part 13 of the Frogger series. First, we'll import our static mesh and textures for our log object. Second, we'll create a material for our log static mesh using the 3 textures we just imported. Then, assign the newly created material to our log static mesh object and save it. Now we can create a child blueprint class from our BP_moving object that we can call BP_log. We can highlight the log static mesh object and then add it to the components list of the blueprint. Don't forget to also set the preview mesh to use the same log object. After that, we'll open the player blueprint so we can increase our leap distance to 450, so the player has to make 4 hops to cross the river. Now add the log blueprint to the level and position it so the player lands center based on their leap distance. For now, we'll add 4 log lanes, but in the future, we'll replace 2 of the lanes with turtles. For each log lane, we'll set the behavior to loop reset with a duration amount of 30 seconds, and we'll use 3 control points. 2 of the control points will be above water, and the third will be below water so we can hide the log position reset when it happens. Create a lane pattern by holding the Alt key and dragging off the Y-axis to create a series of logs in whatever pattern you want. We'll repeat this process for each log lane, which should total 4. Finally, we'll update our collision settings so our player can't stand on top of the water bodies. In the project settings, for collision, we'll create a new object channel that we'll name water and set the default to overlap. From there, we'll create 2 object presets that we can call river and ocean. We'll set these to query only for the collision options. Then we'll head back to our level and set the river and ocean to use the custom presets we just created. Once done, test out the level to make sure the player sinks when jumping into the river. And just like that, we've created our river hazards for this project. Stay tuned for Part 14.